Hello students, so today we are going to see the second part modeling object. Now you can see the isometric view of an object, front view and top view. So first the total length of object it is given 132 mm, total width of object it is a 70 mm and total height 60 plus outer radius 25 mm, that is 85 mm. Now let us start with the part modeling with SolidWorks 2015. So open new tab, select the part modeling, press OK. So first change the units. Already I have changed the units into millimeter gram second. Then select the sketch option, select the plane. So now we can see the front plane, top plane and right plane. So object, horizontal plate and the two vertical plates attached. So similar, we can use the 3D mirror command and we can create this. So start with the horizontal plate. For horizontal plate, we can select the front plane, that is easy to draw in 2D view. So first select a line command, start with the center point. Escape from the command. Then smart dimensions. You see the plate, horizontal plate having the 27 mm height from the starting point and total 132 mm length, 12 mm thickness it is given and 15 mm the vertical plate thickness. So 27 mm first we can give the dimension of the vertical plate, put the values, press OK. Next, total length of the plate is given 132 and press OK. Plate thickness it is given 12 mm. The vertical plate up to the corner is 15 mm. Already we have given the thickness. So constraint figure, escape from the command, escape or change the exit from the sketch mode, go into the features, then select the extrude command. So total width of the plate we can see in the top view 70 mm. So plate thickness is given or width is given 70 mm. So put the values 70 mm here and then press OK. So when we select and complete the extrude part, now the remaining part, two vertical plates. So two vertical plates exactly from the mid, both having the similar shape. So for 3D mirror, we initially required to select the mid plane, but in this plate, when we see the front plane, top plane and right plane, we extrude the part from the front plane for one direction. So again we can change this. So click on the boss extrude. To edit feature, click on edit feature. Change the option from the mid plane. So mid plane exactly at the mid, the sketch will be, we can see, and both on the same thickness 35 mm for first side and second side 35. The width of the plate is divided, then press OK. Now you can see the front plane exactly at the mid. So we can use that and we can create the 3D mirror. So first, vertical plate that is exactly at this align with the horizontal plate for this side. So select that side and click on sketch. So right click and normal to. So initially take a center line, draw vertical center line, then we see the 25 mm outer circle radius and internal hole of diameter 25 mm. The 35 mm it is given for the extruded portion, that is a ring inside of the plate, for the both inside vertical plate having the inside ring with 35 and 25 internal hole diameter. So for external, initially we have to select a 50 diameter circle and the internal hole 25 mm diameter. So select a circle command exactly at the top, draw two circles, escape. For pan, select a command, exit from command with the escape. Then use the smart dimensions, external diameter, put the value 50 mm, press OK. Internal diameter of hole is 25 mm, put the value, press OK. But position of the set holes, it is given 60 mm above from the corner of the plate and 25 mm away. So we take these dimensions, use smart dimension, from vertical line, vertical distance it is given 25, put the value 25, and from the base, it's smart dimension, from origin initially, delete this dimension, select the smart dimension, put the value 60 mm first, that adjusted the height from the horizontal plane, press OK. Again use the smart dimension, so vertical line, then constraint with the 25 mm, press OK. So you can see that both circles are constrained. Use the line command, then exactly at the mid corner of the plate draw a line, then horizontal line and tangential line. See, the tangential symbol appears when we move the cursor on the circumference. Press right click, escape from the command. The figure shows the tangential part, but when we see in the top view, the plate having the total length 87 mm, from this corner to this corner having 87 mm, and this line is tangential. So already we have drawn, so put the values 87 mm using smart dimension 87, press OK. this distance vertical line to vertical 25 mm. Escape and Control Z. Can use the smart dimension. Okay, delete one dimension. Use the smart dimension, horizontal line distance 87. Press OK. Zoom this area and press a control key. Coincident. We can use the coincident command. And then press OK. So using coincident, both corners we can match, and then use the trim command, trim the internal portion, escape from the command, exit from the sketch mode, then extrude option. So total thickness we can see 12 mm is given. We can see in the top view of the 2D view. Reverse the direction and put the values 12 mm. Press OK. Exactly align vertical plate, but the internal ring is remain. This ring having the diameter 35 mm. In front view we can see the diameter 35 and extended from the vertical surface 5 mm. This is a 5 mm extended portion with the internal hole also 25 mm. So for this we require to create two circles again with 25 mm diameter and 35 diameter. So ring will be having the total width 5 mm. We can extrude through this command. Extrude. We can use the extrude command. So select the surface, again sketch, the normal to use the circle. First 25 mm diameter. Press OK. External circle diameter is 35 mm. Put the value and press OK. Okay. Press OK. Then exit from sketch. Use the extrude command. Now ring. So by default, the software takes the old values. Put the value 5 mm. And see the thickness or width of the ring. It is given 5 mm. Put the value 5 mm and press OK. Now we can see the same plate with the other side also having the same extended portion of the ring. So use the 3D mirror exactly at the mid. We can use a plane of the mid plane and we can mirror using 3D mirror command. Can create the vertical plate with option. So front plane. So initially check which plane exactly at the mid. If it is not, then we can use the reference geometry. We can create the numbers of plane, parallel planes or numbers of planes. So when we select the reference geometry, so numbers of planes we can increase, or offset plane we can create. Using flip we can change the direction of the planes. If it is not required, then cancel it. So again check mid plane, that is useful to create a 3D mirror option or 3D mirror. Front plane, then we can go for 3D mirror command. We can go for 3D mirror command. When we select 3D mirror command, so directly mirror plane or front plane is selected. Then features to mirror. So select the feature, so extruded portion and the two extruded portion, that is a vertical plate extruded first and second ring. So select the extruded portion both and press OK. Now you can see the isometric view. So this tab shows the particularly all the required views. So isometric view we can see. Also the numbers of views appears: right plane, right view, top view, side view, front view, top view or bottom view of an object, and this is the isometric view. Isometric view, diametric, visualization we can see. So this is a wireframe diagram. So two holes remains. So plate having the two holes with diameter 15 mm. So this shows the notification of the two holes of 15 mm diameter throughout, having distance from vertical edge 30 mm, and second hole distance from first hole it is given 50 mm with 50 mm diameter. So select the top plane, select the sketch option, use the center line exactly at the midpoint, select and draw a center line parallel to plane. Exit from line command or center line command, then use the circle command exactly at end point. First draw the circle and with reference to circle, again draw a second circle. Exit from circle command with the help of escape key, then use the smart dimensions. First hole of diameter 15, second hole also having diameter 15, press OK. Then distance, so center line, first distance, again you can check 30 mm from the vertical edge, 30 mm and then 50 mm. First put the value 30 mm, press OK, and from center to center distance directly 50 plus 30, 80 mm. Double click, change the values 80 mm, press OK. Press OK, exit from sketch again. So material removal command is extruded cut. Select the command and blind or through all. Select command through all. Press OK. You can see final object. Zoom in, zoom out with the scroll. Right click, use the zoom pan. So thank you. Stay connected for the more videos.